morning everyone, welcome to Johnny's Garden Midlands all the way from MIJAS in Spain.
This is what he found after digging for 26 years.
This is for pool area, I guess. Kitchen.
Come on, donkey ride. Come on, do your own.
What the fuzz off in that, folks? Welcome to a place in the sun, 2023. Honey! Just arrived in MIJAS. It's 21 degrees. It's the 1st of October. Absolutely beautiful, guys. I'm here on a well-deserved break. That's what we work hard for, guys, isn't it? Get away in the summer, put the feet up, relax, re-energise the body, get all the numbness out of the hands. That's what it's all about, guys. Guys, when we left LA City, our flight was at 4 o'clock. Must have been 10 degrees. Raining, blustery winds. 3-hour trip, and look at this. Kitchen. Dining room. Bathroom. So this is our own gaff. We have it for 8 days. What do I show you this view here now? Get it. Where would you get it? See that quiet here? Hear a pin drop.
Hola. Would you like a donkey ride? A donkey ride to Europe?
Some delicious seafood. Prawn PP.
Squid.
Squid. King prawns. Seafood soup. This is the hotel we stayed on the first time. The Vic Grand. I enjoy having my own space. Don't have to go down 3 or 4 floors. You get a smoke. That was a good hotel, but as I say, it's packed. So it is. Maybe surrounded by people. It's also there in 11A. Just going to take a wee dander out of the shop, get some orange juice. Get some baguettes for lunch, some tomatoes, cheese, just some bits and pieces. And then we're probably going to go up and lie beside the pool. Lovely wee neighbourhood. There's an olive tree there, look. These firs, look at the fruit in these firs. They're all over the hedge, they look like snails. I always like to go wee dander and scout new locations for next year. Oh well. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Beautiful. Thank you. Wow, what the fuzz off in that, folks. Talk about hot. This is what pool area, I guess. So it's obviously communal. Some days you get it to yourself. It's really nice. 9:30 in the morning now. Look at the sun. So I've just heard a man doing a bit of gardening here. So I'm going to go up and see what he's doing there. He's using a Still combi KM94 by the looks of it. He's doing a bit of strumming. I'm going to see if he needs a hand. Alright. Guys, Faye here, gentleman. Going to give this a little drum. job.
Okay, good job.
Gentlemen. What's your name?
Federico.
Vertigo. Can I get a video, Vertigo? Yeah. Gentlemen, thank you.
Okay.
Good luck, Vertigo. Even when I'm on my holidays, still doing a wee bit of work. Vertigo there, he was Argentinian. Didn't speak much English. Didn't speak much Spanish, so able to communicate. Tight wee space in there. So guys, we're just literally walking on the Cala de MIJAS. It's about a half an hour walk from our apartment. Here we are, folks. Here we are. Nearly there, nearly there. It's a little chapel in there. Say a prayer for all my subscribers. These are all doing well. Bougainvilleas, beautiful. And the main city centre basically. As you can see, it's a bustling wee town, so it is. Really busy. Right, the water, very cool. Ooh. Guys, so we are on our way to MIJAS Pueblo. We're just on our way to get a taxi. It's about 10-minute drive in a taxi, and there's a wee church up there. The views are absolutely stunning. So guys, we just got out of the taxi here in MIJAS Pueblo. So guys, this is the wee chapel here that everybody comes and visits up in MIJAS Pueblo, and as you can see, it's absolutely stunning, and the views go along with it, absolutely stunning as well. The story goes with this wee church. There was a farmer who had 2 kids, and every night the kids come home. They said they seen the same sight. They seen a light shine from above here. So the father went up with a pickaxe and he started digging, and he found a statue of Our Lady. So they took it to the parish. So a few years later, another man lands, a priest, or like a monk, and he heard of the story, and he seen a dove appear where the children seen the light also. So this man got obsessed, and he was digging for 26 years. Everybody in this village thought he was crazy. He thought he was going off his head, until eventually this is what he found after digging for 26 years. This sweet church. It's absolutely amazing. Guys, we holiday tip when you should go on holidays. I've used my phone the whole time. Revolut's hard to beat. No transactions at these dodgy cash machines. You don't need to use your bank card. Everything's been done through my phone basically. Revolut, pay me taxis, Chineses, anything we do on the bars. Great. So Revolut, really good. Download it onto your phone, and there's a card as well, a Revolut card. So just a wee tip. Happy days.